Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Audacity application and record an audio. So if you have background noise in your audio, you will have to first of all make sure you have a part of your audio where you haven't spoken anything. That means a part of your audio needs to be silent so that it can catch your background noise. For example, if I'm currently speaking in the mic, I will have to stay silent for 3 or 4 seconds, and when you stay silent for 3 or 4 seconds, you will see a straight line with no waves in the recording. What you'll have to do is simply select that part where there is no vocals recorded. So I'm going to select this part, and after selecting this part, I will click on this effect option at the top. Now navigate to noise removal and repair and choose noise reduction. After you click on noise reduction, click on get noise profile button. Now select the whole audio by double clicking on it, navigate to effects, then to noise removal and repair, navigate to noise reduction and click on OK. Make sure the setting remains same. Click on OK and this will remove all the background noises from the audio in Audacity. If you still have some background noises left, you'll have to repeat that process. Choose the part of video which is silent, navigate to effects, choose noise removal and repair, noise reduction and get noise profile. Select the whole audio, choose noise removal and repair and click on OK. By doing this, you would have successfully removed all the background noises from your audio in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell.